the dad to be. The greatest journey of your life is about to begin. Maybe you are holding a positive test right now. Maybe you are months away from meeting someone who will completely rearrange your whole world. Maybe you have been dreaming of fatherhood and the day has not come yet. Wherever you are on this journey, this episode is for you, the dad who is becoming. I want to be the first to tell you something. You are already a dad in your heart. The moment you started caring, the moment you started hoping, the moment you started thinking about who you want to be for that child, fatherhood already began in you. And that matters more than you know. Because the kind of father you will be is being shaped right now. In the quiet moments when nobody is watching. In the questions you are asking yourself. In the fears you are already walking through. In the decision you are making right now to be intentional, to be present, to be different if you need to be. I want to speak to the fear for a moment, because every dad to be feels it. Am I ready? Will I know what to do? What if I repeat the patterns I grew up with? What if I get it wrong? Here is the truth that will set you free. No father is fully ready, not one. But the fact that you are asking those questions means you are already thinking like a great dad. Great dads are not born knowing everything. They are made by showing up, learning, and choosing love every single day. You have something powerful on your side. You have intention. You are choosing this consciously. You are thinking about the 7 dimensions of fatherhood before your child even arrives. That child is already lucky. And here is my challenge to you. Start now. Do not wait until the baby arrives to become the dad you want to be. Start healing what needs healing now. Start building the habits now. Start becoming the man that child needs now. Because fatherhood does not begin at birth. It begins the moment you decide who you are going to be. You are a 7D father in the making. And what you are building right now is the foundation your child will stand on forever. To the aspiring dad, the dad to be, the one who is becoming, the journey ahead of you is the greatest one of your life. It will stretch you. It will grow you. It will show you a love you did not know existed. You are ready enough. You care enough. You are enough. Welcome to Fatherhood, Dad. Happy Father's Day. This one is for you.